Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about how to move, rotate and zoom in, zoom out your 3D part in CATIA V5. So first we will start with move means pan command. So if you want to move your 3D part around your screen, then you have to just press and hold middle mouse button and you can see the cursor symbol is changed and you can now slide it around your mouse. Now object will also slide in this direction. If I move in right, it will move in right. If I move it left, it will be moving left. Okay. Again I'm repeating. For your move your 3D part, just press and hold and rotate your mouse to place your object in your screen. Okay. Then again. Okay. Now we'll start for zoom in and zoom out. So basically for zoom in and zoom out you have to press and hold your middle mouse button first and then just one right click and you can see the cursor is now change to arrow. So for zoom in you have to drag your cursor towards your system, and for zoom out you have to drag your cursor towards your side. So zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, drag towards monitor side and it will be zoom in, drag towards your side, body side, it will be zoom out. Okay, understood? First middle mouse button and then just a one right click and it will be enter into zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out. Okay, now we are going to learn about how to rotate a 3D part in CATIA V5. So first you have to for rotate, first press and hold middle mouse button and then again press and hold right mouse button. So in this rotate command you have to press two keys simultaneously. First is middle mouse button and second is right mouse button or left mouse button. So you can see now your object and is going to be rotate in which direction you are going to rotate your mouse. First press and hold middle mouse button and again press and hold right or left mouse button. So you can see you are going to rotate your 3D part in CATIA V5 just like this. Zoom, zoom in, zoom out and rotate, rotate. You want to rotate like this. You want to rotate and see your object deeply just like this. Okay, understood? So first you have to press and hold middle mouse button and again press and hold left or right mouse button to rotate your 3D part in CATIA V5. Okay, thank you everyone. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.